Alright, what's going on, everybody? Today we're looking at the Worx hydroshot. I'm going to take this thing apart today. Now there's hundreds of reviews on it, so I'm not going to bother doing all that. You can find out what the fundamentals are on this thing. Today we're just interested in seeing what's inside of it, for the most part. I'm interested to see whether or not I can attach a hose to this thing, because I'm going to be using it for the pump solely. I'm not interested in using this for a pressure washer. From what I hear, they're less than impressive, but I don't know for sure. Suppose we got a sticker holding me together here. Okay, I think we're about ready to fly apart here. It's fly or die at this point, because I'm about to start getting a little aggressive. That probably ain't helping. It's tied together there. Did I miss a screw? This thing may be glued together, especially based on what I've seen in the front end here. Oh, there it goes. Oh, come on. Okay. And we're in. Here she is. It's basically a miniature pressure washer. That's pretty impressive. Now my main problem is I have to connect to this thing. I'm not interested in any of this stuff, really. Huh. Can I use this is the question. It's at 320 psi. Definitely what I need. I think it's worth giving a shot. Mounting it will be interesting, but hey, nothing about this project's been normal at all. So it did come with all this stuff here. If you're interested in actually buying this, it's kind of pricey for what it does, from what I could tell. I suppose it's got its uses. So maybe I can tap into this thing somehow, I don't know. This is what I was worried about, was getting this thing and then not being able to connect this properly to a hose that we're going to use. Like this, it's going to be a rigged up deal most likely. There's just nothing really I can connect to right there. I don't think I want to risk using this thing. I mean, I suppose I could try to tap into this and cut a thread that goes onto this thing. That's going to be our only hope of actually being able to use this thing. I would imagine this pump has the power to do a little bit more than what they've rated it at, but I wonder if that's to get oil in there. I don't know. I don't think I want to use this thing. I'm worried about it.